Using fresh juice in cocktails gives the best flavor and ultimately best cocktail with absolutely nothing artificial. First thing you want to do when juicing fresh citrus fruit is first you want to leave the fruit out of the refrigerator, and if it's in there, take it out at least an hour before, or you can actually put it in some warm water and bring it to room temperature. It yields a third more juice. The next thing you want to do is you want to roll it underneath your palm. You can do this with lemons, limes, oranges. Again, doing this will yield more than a third of juice. In order to achieve this, you have a couple of different options. You can go and buy yourself an industrial juicer, which will pump it out really fast for you. All you do is take a half a lime or a lemon or a grapefruit and just press it in just like this. Or you can take a hand juicer, again, a half a lime in there. There's the fresh juice. One lime will usually yield about 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. A lemon, somewhere between an ounce to an ounce and a half. Very important when you're using a premium spirit like Appleton Estate Reserve, it really deserves fresh juice. So have fun, make great cocktails, and use fresh juice.